Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to delete your search history on Google in just a few steps. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to manage. On the left-hand menu, click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down to the section labeled History Settings and click Web and App Activity. On the Web and App Activity page, click Manage All Web and App Activity. This will take you to a detailed view of your search history and other activity. At the top, you'll see a search bar and a filter by date option. If you want to delete specific entries, scroll down and click the cross icon next to the item, then select Delete. To delete everything, click the Delete button near the top and choose from Last Hour, Last Day, All Time, or Custom Range. After selecting an option, Google will ask you to confirm. Read the instructions and click Delete to finalize it. You can also enable Auto Delete to clear your history automatically after 3, 18, or 36 months. On the same page, look for Auto Delete, select a time frame, and confirm. That's it. Your search history is now deleted. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.